Alright guys, 2014 Ford Raptor with the OG 6.2 liter V8. This is what it sounds like and looks like before. As you guys can see, it's the 6.2 liter. This is what it sounds like before. It's got the Corsa Xtreme muffler on it. Axle back kit. Cat back kit. Corsa Xtreme cat back kit. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. The more you get on it, the louder it gets. Again. Right at 160. So why he's changing this Corsa Xtreme, as you guys can see, he took it off-road and did some damage to it. So yeah, we're gonna take it off and put him something else in its place. But as you guys can see, there is the tip, 3-inch pipe, muffler, and it's all dented in. That's how it's supposed to look. But it's all crunched up on this side right there. But we don't like that. We gotta fix that for him. And it does have the resonator taken off too. And the cats are still on it, right there and right there. So stay tuned. We're gonna let you guys hear actually a few different setups on it. He doesn't know what he wants yet, so we're gonna try different mufflers. All right, we got a Ford Raptor 6.2 liter 2014. And you guys asked us for more videos like this where we test different mufflers on it. So I got you guys a Borla Atak, Black Widow, Netami NTR, Flowmaster Outlaw, Dynomax Race Bullet, and Carven R. Tell me which sound you guys like out of all of these, okay? Here's the part numbers on them. That's the Borla Atak right there, part number. That's the Black Widow right there, part number. Then the NTR by Netami, here's the part number. Then Flowmaster Outlaw, there's the part number. Dynomax Race Bullet, there's the part number. And then the Carven R, there's the part number. But before anything, we're gonna let you guys hear it with nothing on it, just straight pipe, no muffler. Sound decibels on straight pipes, go ahead. Right at 108. All right, again. So the first one we're going to start with is the Borla Atak, part number 400844. What do you think of that one? You like it? Again? Here's the sound decibels. Again? Right at 101. Again? Okay, turn it off. Next, we're gonna do the Black Widow, Neighbor Hater. That's not bad either. You guys let us know in the comments what you guys like. Again? Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. So it's 107. It's about as loud as the Corsa. What do you think?
I feel like that's gonna have some drone to it though.
Yeah. All right, so that's the Black Widow. All right. So now we're gonna try out the NTR by Netami, the race muffler. Start it up. That one. He came in originally for that one. Your sound decibels. Again, 107. What do you think?
I like that one. That's a good one. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that one he likes. Now we're gonna do the Flowmaster Outlaw, part number 15430S. It's the shorty. Look at the inside of this. If you guys wonder, it's got rings. You see them? All right, go ahead, put it in. That's not bad either. Here's sound decibels? What did it hit? I didn't see it.
109.
Go ahead. Yeah, 105. It hit earlier. He said 109. What do you think of that one?
That one kind of reminds me of the Black Widow a little bit.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a little quieter version.
It's a little quieter. Again? Definitely has more pop. Okay. So now we're gonna do the Dynomax race bullet that you guys come to love through our channel. We've done a lot of different setups on the Dynomax race bullets. The part number is 24250. Here you go. It has a little whistle to it. It has a whistle to it. It's weird. Go ahead. I've noticed that with a lot of the higher power cars, the Dynomax always have a whistle, which is cool though. I like it. It's different. It's got a lot more pop. Again? Okay. And last but not least, we're gonna try Carven next, guys. Last but not least, we're gonna try Carven R. That's hard, man. Again? There's sound decibels on it? 109. 109 on the sound decibels. Okay. So, I know you guys wonder what these mufflers all look like. So, I'm gonna have my guy stand behind it and show you guys. Check out the Borla. That's what's inside the Borla. All right, it's really cool. Here's the Black Widow. That's how it's set up. You guys can see. This is the NTR by Netami. That's their design. This is Flowmaster. It's got rings, the Outlaw series. This is Dynomax. It's got perforated holes. You guys can see. This is the Carven. That's what it looks like. So if you guys ever wondered what they all look like, it's a cool little setup. Thank you to our Model 1 holding the flashlight, doing what he does best, which is everything. Anything he touches, it turns into harmonic beauty. Oh, he touched the Borla. Borla's the lucky one for today. But anyways, we're going with the Carven R, guys. He liked the Carven R the most. So we're gonna put that on and run it out the side over here. Stay tuned. So guys, on this 14 Raptor, 6.2 liter, when the Raptor was a real Raptor. 6.2 liter V8, beast of a truck. Whew, I love these trucks, I always did. Since they first came out, I just love the wide stance on them. Factory converter, why isn't it a single? Then usually there's a resonator there. It's not there no more, they cut it off. So we let you guys hear the different tests on them, and he went with the Carven R right there. Then we continued with 3-inch pipe. We took it out from the tailpipe all the way to the back, and he wanted it ran out the side. So he was like, we got you, bro, we'll hook you up. Here's the part number on the Carven, guys. Right there, there'll be a link in the description for the Carven R. Right there, all right? And then the Corsa dual tip out the side, right there. Came out nice, he left it. He didn't want a new tip, he wanted to go with the classic, so we left the classic for him. And we want to welcome him to Nashville. He's from my home state of Cali, so welcome to Nashville, Tennessee, bro. I'm gonna let you guys hear it, hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you guys like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Ford Raptor. Whew. Oh, that sounds good. That sounds really good. You think he made the right decision, guys? Let me know in the comments. Ford Raptor. Nice pop to it too. Let you guys hear sound decibels. 109. Heck yeah. idle's quiet. Wow, cool. Again. Gonna back it out. Sorry for the construction guys, but they're hammering again. But we'll get up close for you. I like it. It's clean look right there out the side too. It fits it perfectly. Do you like it? Yeah. Yes, sir. That's mean, bro. It sounds so good. And it fits in there perfectly. It's clean. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Ford Raptor with a Carven R. Set up side pipe into a dual tip.